We were been after the parliament attack intruders went into it day before yesterday. We have been demanding from yesterday that there should be a statement from Amit Shah in the parliament. As the home minister, he is the home minister. It is his failure, and we wanted him to make a statement. From yesterday, day before yesterday, and he has not come to parliament, and he is hiding. We want the home minister to come to parliament and make a statement. What happened? This is the democratic process. In every country in 2001, when parliament was attacked, L.K. Advani came to the parliament and made a statement. Why Amit Shah is afraid? Because he has failed as a home minister, therefore he is afraid. Who is protecting him? Who is protecting his failure now? That's the question we are asking, and we will continue to ask this question, and we will continue to protest for the justice of the democratic processes in India.
एक्चुअली जिस तरह से पार्लियामेंट की सुरक्षा में बार बार सिनमारी हो रही है और इसमें नई बिल्डिंग बनी इतने खर्च करके और कहा गया था कि पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित है, लेकिन सुरक्षा में चूक हुई और इसका प्रोटेस्ट कोई कर रहा है, विरोध कर रहा है, मांग कर रहा है कि आकर इस पर बात हो, तो उसमें सस्पेंड कर दिया जाना या लोगों को चुप कराना ये कहीं भी भारतीय संविधान के तहत नहीं है। और आप सोचिए कि 140 करोड़ जनसंख्या वाले जिस देश के पार्लियामेंट में इस तरह की घटना हुई, उस देश के लोगों में क्या मैसेज जाएगा कि आप देश की सुरक्षा कैसे करेंगे अगर एक पार्लियामेंट की सुरक्षा आप नहीं कर सकते। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं देश के सम्मान से जुड़ी हुई बात है, ये सिर्फ सांसदों के लिए नहीं। और अगर जिनके सिग्नेचर से ये लोग इन लोगों की एंट्री हुई थी, जो लोग अंदर आए थे, अगर वो भाजपा के सांसद ना होकर किसी और विपक्ष के पार्टी के सांसद होते तो निश्चित रूप से अब तक तो वो सस्पेंड हो गए होते।
Main demand from the first day onwards is the Home Minister come to the House and make a statement regarding the security lapses which had occurred there before yesterday. So far, the government has not come with an official statement. And also, what action did they take against the BJP member of parliament who has given the pass to these two culprits to enter into the chamber of Lok Sabha and to make this nuisance? This is an attack on the chamber of parliament, not outside the parliament. On 2001 December 13, the attack was in the parliament building outside the parliament. Now this is inside the parliament. So we would like to know if Mahua Maitra is expelled from the house only because of the reason that she has exchanged her password so as to log in the portal. That is the only reason by which she is expelled from the house. We would like to know from the government what action you are taking against the member who has given the passes for this country.
Suspension and expulsion for this government is not nothing new. Last week, Mahua Moitra was expelled from the parliament. This week, the BJP government MP of the Mysore constituency who issued the pass for the people who did the attack inside the parliament are now moving freely. And myself and our colleagues are being suspended for raising the voice of the people of India. A very, very genuine demand that the Prime Minister and Home Minister should give confidence to the countrymen and they should speak in the parliament was a genuine demand. But unfortunately, that was not heard, and on the other hand, they are protecting the MPs of the ruling party.
Modi and Amit Shah run the parliament.